Hey guys, another wedding album Wednesday, and if you were so inclined to watch the last one, you knew it was of more of us, me and my lovey-dovey. Anyway, pretty much have everything somewhat, not really laid out, but a little bit. Anyway, I wanted to use this heart paper that I got from, where'd I get that from? Hobby Lobby. Oh, I was thinking, probably trim these down, because there's a lot of dead space there. That's good. What about this other one? That one's good, I think, just because it's got the dress in it, so. And, okay, so I wanted to mat this one with this flower. Guess I should make it bigger so you can see the flower a little bit, huh? Not too bad. This one, yeah. All right. Then I'll save this one. Probably won't save this one. It seems a little bit like not worth it. And then I wanted to mat this one to the back. I don't know why I just put it on the back side of that. I don't think I'm gonna mat. I brought some doilies out. I don't think I'm gonna use the black or the doilies. I don't think. So, okay, back. Obviously, I'm gonna need to put some color by that. Ooh, I like it. Now, I did it on the wrong side again. Jeez Louise. Sorry, they call me can't get right. Now, ooh, shall we? We shall. Didn't tear very good, but it'll be alright. My ATG is acting funky. Sorry, I just hit my cord. I am going to line this up. Cut that. Okay, and then I was thinking I'd use this as my background, with this as like a side piece to it. Side piece. Okay, so we're going to add this vellum piece to this side. Why does it look like that? Oh. Sticker. Guess I tried to cut this twice. Alright. Now, we shall bring you in, which can be upside down. So, we'll switch you around. And put some tape on the right side. Oh, okay. Now, do we need this whole sheet? I think so, because I don't want the hearts to be overwhelming. Pop those to the side. I think what I'm going to do with this is make columns out of it. Don't really know how long it is. It doesn't seem like it's... Yeah, guess so. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And pop this in the middle without the sticker on it. Give it like a little column look to it. We'll see. I feel like I'm about to run out of tape. Okay. Flip it. Bet you guys have heart attacks watching my show. Not heart attacks literally, but like, man, she can't do right. That looked upside down to me. Sorry, this takes major concentration from me. Very well. And this is not like a regular sheet of white paper. I don't know. I'll have to look. Yeah, you can kind of see the fibers in it. So I'm putting a little bit extra on there. You see? Yeah, so it's not like a regular sheet of paper. Now, I think I want this one up here because we're actually smiling in it. And I have no idea what my daughter was thinking when she was taking this picture, but it was hilarious. We were probably like, hey, you gonna smile today? And then she did this funny smile. Yet again, 500 interruptions. I think I'm gonna leave it where it's just not touching each other. Now, I do have, sorry I keep hitting the cord because I had to plug in, I'm at 15%. I do want to use memories, but problem with that is that you can't see it. Call myself trying to cut that straight. Fun times. Let's see if we can get this under here. Make it look like it's supposed to be here rather than an afterthought. And will memories fit on there? Yeah, it's not too bad, I guess. So clip that down. Then also here. See? And then we'll plop down memories. Please don't ask me where I got this from. And then this M is going to cover up that section there, the like intersection there. Perfect. Now, don't feel like using these today because they're a hassle. Okay? I don't know if you've ever used them before, and if you feel differently, I'm so glad you like them. This girl does not. This will incorporate the ones on the side. I don't know why I'm talking because I know I'm going to do a voiceover on this. Ooh, this one. Ooh. I think I'll leave that one. Okay. Do we want any of these twirlies, swirlies? These are kind of big. They were on the other page, but I don't have to have everything exactly the same. It's kind of cute. Nice. All right. Feeling accomplished. All right, so I used these on the other one. So we're going to use them on this one too. A few things I feel like I want to keep the same. They're not on the same spot, but different picture I should say. I just ripped that doggone thing. Sorry, Joker. Get off my finger. Okay. I love this adorable right here. Sparkle and shine. are like little rhinestones. Then I'll come in with the bigger ones and kind of accent each one. Alright, moving on. Nice. Oh, where's my... Here they go. And that'll be all of these used up. Like that. Bring in this little wood piece I've been trying to use for the last 5 years. I kind of like that. They're cute memories. That's too big. Love this would work. Kind of like that because it's off to the side, you know. The girls. I love this on there. Don't need to put it twice. Ooh, I like that Just Us. Where'd it go? Here it goes. Yeah. Beautiful. Make a little collage of arrows over here. I think I'm going to pass on picture perfect. Alright. I think I'm good with words. I mean, I'm not good with words. I'm good with the amount of words that are on this layout, though. And let's go ahead and drop some sprinkles. Kind of like the idea that looks like it's going off the page there. Okay. I feel like I'm done. How about that? Man, I could use this as a under 20. Yes, ma'am. Under 20 Tuesday? Nope. Wedding album Wednesday. Alright, guys. Hope you have a great day. I don't think I'm going to do a voiceover on this one. I might not. But don't forget to get your crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye.